Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior. 19-inch AMG twins 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A nut brown black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. Got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Come around front, we've got blind spot assist, a keyless entry, a nice black wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center. This E-Class has 35,605 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.